Hi, I'm Rainier. I'm explaining about meteorological application and effects of it.
How important application of meteorology as a navigator? First, understanding weather patterns help navigators anticipate conditions that could impact safety and efficiency. Second, accurate weather forecasts enable navigators to plan optimal routes, avoiding areas with severe weather or hazardous conditions. Third, meteorological knowledge enhances safety by allowing navigators to prepare adverse weather conditions. Fourth, good weather knowledge contributes to fuel efficiency and time saving. Fifth, knowledge of meteorology helps navigators understand the environmental impact of their routes. As a navigator, meteorology plays a crucial role in ensuring safe and efficient navigation, as well as the care of cargo during transportation. Here are some key ways in which meteorology is applied in navigation and cargo care. 1. Route planning. 2. Weather forecasting. 3. Real-time monitoring. 4. Navigation tools. And 5. Collision avoidance. 1. Weather forecasting. Meteorological services provide forecasts that are visual for planning voyage. These forecasts include information on wind, speed and direction, precipitation, visibility, temperature, and significant weather events like storms and hurricanes. Accurate weather predictions help navigators avoid severe weather conditions, enhancing safety and minimizing delays. 2. Route planning. By using meteorological data, navigators can determine safest and most efficient routes, for instance, avoiding areas with predicted storm and strong headwinds can save fuel and time. Seasonal weather patterns like monsoons or trade winds are also considered in long-term route planning. 3. Real-time monitoring. Onboard meteorological instruments allows navigators to monitor weather in real time. This includes tracking change in winds, temperature, and atmospheric pressure. Many vessels also use satellite data and weather apps to stay updated on conditions ahead. 4. Navigation tools. Advanced navigation systems now integrate meteorological data, helping to automatically adjust course and speed in response to change in weather. 5. Collision avoidance. Poor visibility due to fog or heavy rain increase the risk of collisions. Meteorological insights enable navigators to exercise caution and adjust speed accordingly. Care of cargo. Temperature and humidity control. Certain cargo such as perishable or sensitive electronic equipment require specific environmental conditions. Meteorological data informs operator about potential temperatures, swings and humidity level during transit. Refrigerated containers are often equipped with the climate control mechanism that require precision monitoring to maintain optimal condition. Stability and securing of cargo. Weather conditions affect the stability of a vessel. High winds and rough seas can shift cargo, leading to damage. Meteorological forecasts guide the securing of cargo and adjustment before navigating through stormy waters. Insurance and risk assessment. Understanding weather patterns helps in risk assessment for insurance purposes. Companies can gauge the risk of damage to cargo due adverse weather conditions and adjust their policies and pricing accordingly. Preparation for weather events. Navigators must prepare for extreme weather events that could affect cargo. These include checking the integrity of container and ensuring that all cargo is secured to prevent movement during turbulent conditions. Communication with stakeholders. Accurate meteorological information allows for timely communication with shippers, receivers, and logistic partners, facilitating better coordination, especially in cases where delays are anticipated due to weather.